Hey guys, I'm Nicole Stylz. How's everyone doing?
Yeah.
All right, so here we have my beautiful unicorn. She's clearly our mascot of the unicorn tribe with her beautiful horn. If you want to go ahead and turn around, we tried to style her just like a mane. I love all the colors we use. And it's also National Pride Month. That was my original inspiration. Yes, shout out to all my Pride family. Thank you. Yes. And turn around. I love the pops of yellow. I love how yellow's trending so much right now. Who else loves yellow? Yes.
I mean,
yes,
come on,
queen.
my name's Honey.
Yes,
you know I love me some yellow.
Exactly.
Yes. What made you choose the sectionings that you did?
Okay, so I sectioned her off if you want to turn around. I actually used 3 quadrants, and I just posted part of the process on my Instagram, a little time lapse. I like to work from the bottom to the top, and I use a mesh to separate, to keep from transfer, although pulpriot is amazing because once it's pretty dry, you can pull those mesh right out and lay right on top of each other and you don't get any transfer. You can see her yellow stayed great right next to all the other colors. We rinse with ice cold water, of course, and we like to hold the ends out of the hair while we rinse the top just to make sure no bleeding happens there.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
So yeah.
Amazing.
Can you do a little turnaround real quick?
Yes, do a little
for
turnaround,
everybody?
girl.
Spin, girl.
Spin, girl. We got a real life unicorn here.
Really beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.